And now we know that this shingle is discontinued, and this is the only other really 3-tap shingle we've got to throw in here. And look at that, I haven't even shingled. If you want to come closer, you can already see some of these granules just coming off. Look. I already see a lot of the granules coming off, but still need to nail it in. Okay. We're gonna do this 3 different ways. We're gonna hand nail it, we're gonna nail it with the snake tool, and we're gonna nail it with our hands, or the power tool. So for this one, there's just no way. I gotta lift this up a little bit more. There you go, 1. This one I'm gonna use the snake tool because I already see the damage that's already being done to it. Okay, good. Last one. This one I'm going to use the snake tool as well because we didn't fully break the seal all the way through. Good. For the last bit, use the power tool.